Let's look at how we would install add-ons in a Google Doc. So once you open your Google Doc and you have decided that you need to add some add-ons, you'll notice up at the very top you will have a little button called Add-ons. So click on that. It will show you all of the add-ons you've already installed on this or into Google Docs. Go all the way down to the bottom where it says Get Add-ons. Once this opens, you will see all the add-ons that they have available. You'll notice some already say the word installed. Those are the ones you have already installed onto your Google Docs. You can always click on the three little dots where the options and uninstall it if you no longer want that add-on. Let's look at how to install one that I don't already have. So I'm going to click on this one, and then you will click on the word install. Now it says you're going to need to give permission. That's okay. You just click continue. I'm going to select my Klein Google account. It is telling you that it's going to need permission to access your file. You'll say allow, and it will install onto your Google Doc. I'm going to say done and close this out. Now when I go back to my add-ons, you'll see there is that math right there. And then I'm ready to start using it. And that's how you install add-ons.